Right, here we go. There's a timing disc. It's on TDC. That's the timing mark, and I've marked it 20 degrees. It's between 19 and 21, so I've marked it 20 degrees. So that's that done. So now I'll put the right, so there we go. We adjusted it all up, and there's TDC mark. Bring it round to the timing mark. You can't really see because I'm putting shadow. There's the timing mark. And then these two lines, there's my pointer. These two lines here are dead in line with these two lines here. So that tells me it's lined up. I had the flywheel back off, nipped it up. I'm just going to put the nut on and just gently do it up. I'm not going to do it all the way up. And then we'll put the cylinder in. Here we go. New air gasket. So. Cylinder red. And then you got the 4 head bolts. You got a long one that goes on the short stud, and then you got 4 normal ones. And I'll show you why. Let's just get the washers. Get 4 washers. Whack them on that. So the long one goes there because it holds the stud that holds the cowling on. Right, there we go. And it's 17 pounds feet, it's 23 Newton meters. So alright, that's that. Always wind your torque wrench off when you're finished. Saves the calibration. Right, I'm going to get an old plug. I'm not going to use the good plug I've got. I'm going to get an old plug, stick in the hole. So, as far as I can go.